First off, let's break down the types of PPE you'll need in the shop. We're talking about goggles, helmets, filters, and shields. Practically speaking, these are your only defense against sparks, intense light, and heat. Make sure your goggles fit snugly around your eyes. You don't want any stray sparks sneaking in. Helmets aren't just cool headgear, they protect your noggin and shield your eyes from harmful UV rays. For welding and cutting work, these must be worn in conjunction with each other. Never just goggles, never just a welding helmet. Double up. Next, we've got respiratory protection. Welding can produce some nasty fumes that you really don't want to breathe in. Depending on what you're working on, you might need anything from a basic dust mask to a full respirator. And don't forget about protective clothing. Flame-resistant jackets, gloves, and aprons are a must. They'll keep you safe from sparks and heat, and trust me, they're worth every penny. Taking care of your PPE is just as important as wearing it. Keep your gear clean and check it regularly for any damage. Dirty or damaged PPE can compromise its ability to protect you. Clean your goggles and helmet visors to keep your vision clear. Inspect gloves and garments for tears or excessive wear. And for respirators, replace filters as needed to ensure you're always breathing in clean air. Remember, your PPE is your personal bodyguard. Treat it well, and it'll look after you in return. Keep everything in good shape, and don't hesitate to replace anything that's past its prime.